Hi everyone, welcome to my cocktail channel. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a delicious chocolate and coffee Boulevardier. For those who don't know, a Boulevardier is a slight variation on a Negroni, substituting in a rye whiskey or bourbon in place of the gin of a classic Negroni. Depending on the whiskey you use, you may want to increase the ratio, but today I'm doing an equal part recipe. I'm doing equal parts of Woodford Reserve bourbon, an Amaro, coffee Amaro in particular from Mr Black, and I'm doing a chocolate infused or a Cacao Nib-infused Campari. I'm showing you how to do a rapid infusion, very simple, but if you don't have one of these soda siphons, then you can easily do it at home. Just follow along and let's get straight into it. Actually, before I get started on the drink, I'm very late with the $750 bar haul. I have already been in touch with the 3 winners and congratulated them. They've replied back to me already. So I've got Aurelia from Texas, Marlon from Estonia, and Oystein from Norway. Oystein was the Patreon winner. Congratulations, guys. Each of you are winning a $250 bar haul, and they've already been in touch with me and let me know exactly what equipment they have, or books or bottles, and I'll be tailoring a package for you, and hopefully I'll be able to get that to you relatively soon, depending on how things are traveling in your country. Okay, so onto the infusion with the Campari. So I've had some cacao nibs arrive just the other day. I actually did make the announcement video about a week ago, but turns out all the footage was all blurry, so I couldn't use it. Anyways, onto this one. So I'm using a bar spoon, but you could use a tablespoon. I've used 2 heaped bar spoons of cacao nibs to 250 ml of Campari. Spot on. Now, if you don't have a soda siphon, you can do it the slower way, and you can simply macerate those cacao nibs in your Campari for 12 to 24 hours. Just put it in a mason jar and set it aside. Simple as that. But for today, I'm going to be using the soda siphon to do a rapid infusion, which should cut that 12 to 24 hours down to just a few minutes, hopefully. I swear I had a funnel somewhere, but okay, so the way the soda siphon works is it's under pressure. I think it's from memory about 80 psi with one of these little canisters. It forces the liquid into the botanicals, the wood, whatever that you're infusing. It forces the liquid into those particles, so in this case into the cacao nibs, and then when you release the pressure, the liquid rapidly comes out and extracts a lot of the flavor with it. So instead of having to macerate for 12 to 24 hours, you can use a soda siphon under pressure for literally a few minutes. This, by the way, is a NOS canister, not a CO2 canister. I actually went to do it in one of my videos prior and accidentally grabbed a CO2 canister when I was making a different Boulevardier recipe. I was trying to rapidly barrel age a Boulevardier, and I ended up just carbonating it instead, and it wasn't that pleasant. So just give it a little bit of a shake, and then let it rest. Just be a little bit patient, give it a few minutes. And I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, so that's been sitting there for 2 minutes. You can give it longer if you don't have enough flavor. I'll give you feedback. This is actually the first time I've infused Campari with cacao nibs in this manner, so I'll give you my feedback as to how much flavor this is actually imparted on it. So you want to get rid of the spent gas cylinder, and and then just slowly release that pressure. Well, from what I've read, you actually want to release it relatively quick, so therefore the liquid quickly comes out of the cacao nibs, but not too quick so that liquid shoots everywhere. Once you've released the pressure, undo and fine strain the cacao nibs out. And that's it. Nice and simple. And to give it a quick taste, now cacao you usually get a little bit of a bitter flavour from it, but Campari is already as bitter as hell, so you do get a subtle chocolate flavour. Do I think this would work better if you let it macerate for 12 to 24 hours? Yes, I do. But also to replicate that, instead of just letting the cacao sit for 2 minutes in the soda siphon, I could have done it for 5-10 minutes, and that would have extracted more flavour. I can actually see there's a bit of cacao like oils on the top, so it definitely has extracted flavour. I think it could just do with a little bit more time, that's all. Now I'll transfer into another bottle for storage. I'll keep this one in the fridge, but it just keeps like Campari, so you could probably just keep this on the shelf as well. And before anyone asks in the comments below, I get asked all the time. I get private messages, I get emails, I get phone calls about these little bottles. People seem to absolutely love them. I use them all the time for my lime juice and lemon juice. I have them stocked in Australia, so if you are in Australia, feel free to get in touch. I sell them on cocktailkit.com.au, but for those in America, I'm sorry, I haven't been able to find where to get these from, but I do have a really cool like hip flask shape swing top bottle that is about, I think it was from memory, about 500 ml, which is on Amazon, so I'll link to that in the description below, so you can check it out, as well as that soda siphon. It's an alternative and a good way to keep your syrups, your liqueurs, house-made liqueurs or infusions. So enough waffling, onto the drink itself. As I said at the start, it's an equal part cocktail. So I'm starting off with my bourbon and measuring out 30 ml, 1 ounce, adding that straight in. And then Mr Black Coffee Amaro, 30 ml, 1 ounce. Now, if you wanted to replicate this, you could probably use a different Amaro. You could maybe try using a coffee liqueur, and that would be more of a coffee-forward Boulevardier. Otherwise, stick with sweet vermouth. Don't want to grab that. I want to grab the Cacao-infused Campari, 30 ml, 1 ounce. I haven't filmed in a little while. I don't know if you guys can notice, but I feel a little bit scattered. So fill your mixing glass with ice and give it a stir. Dun, 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 dun. And then strain it over a large cube, or if you don't have a large cube, then whatever ice you have, strain over the top. Oh man, this looks delicious. Fucking hell, I'm forgetting everything. And garnish with a twist of orange. Oop. This looks really rich and intense. I'm liking the look of this. I can still see some of the oils in this Campari. Yum. All right. There you have a chocolate coffee Boulevardier. Cheers. could smell the cacao, the chocolatiness as I raise the glass to my face. It smells delicious. I love the coffee and this kind of citrus notes that the Mr Black Amaro brings to the table. This is delicious. Coffee, chocolate, whiskey, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.